Okay, my people, and welcome. Make we talk about Math 101, where they call binomial theory. Remember, say this particular topic will help you well for exam. Anywhere they no teach you well, na me go teach you well. Or make I break everything down. When you hear the word binomial, what it mean? Binomial. Binomial. This thing bi means two terms. It means anytime we hear binomial, just think about two terms expression. I will make this class dey very sweet and simple. Two terms expression. I know say plenty people no even know wetin two terms mean. I go explain am, no worry. Two terms expression. So wetin come be two terms expression? Two term expression be say if I get A plus B, this A wey dey here na first term. Na first term. This B wey dey for this side na im be second term. When you just get first term, second term, na im be wetin dey call two term expression. Na im be wetin dey call two term answer me na dey call am two term expression. Okay, what if I come get AB plus maybe BC squared? This one you go still call am two term? Yes, you go call am. All these things come together like this na first term. Na first term. Wetin dey separate them? If even if na minus dey, abeg just note say na plus and minus dey separate am o. If times dey, I no go fit call this one first term or second term. I dey like use am when e be plus or minus. So because plus separate two things, na make I dey call this one first term, this one second term. If na minus wey dey here too, this one go be first term, this one go be second term. I hope say I hope say you understand. But if na times dey here, abeg this one no be first term, this one no be second term, because if you multiply two of them together. So na so I dey take teach my own. So this one too na second term. So anytime we see two term expression, two term expression, two term expression, then they call am wetin? Binomial. Then they call am wetin? Binomial. That one don enter abi. So sometimes if you see something like A plus B all squared, A plus B all squared, remember say wetin dey inside bracket here na first term and second term. So if you still call am binomial. But if I square this particular binomial, if it carry me go another thing when they call trinomial. Make we talk about trinomial quick. Remember this topic na binomial, but make I touch one or two before I come back. You go sabi book, I go lie for you. Trinomial. Wetin come be trinomial? If you know say binomial na two term expression, only brain go tell you say trinomial means three terms expression. Three terms expression. You understand? Answer now. Why they smile? They tell you something. You understand? Three term expression na they call trinomial. Good. So now, wetin the example of this particular three term expression is simple. If I get something like A plus B plus C, make I keep am simple first. A plus B plus C. Abeg know say at first na plus wey separate them or minus. A na wetin they call first term. B na the one we call second term, and C na the one we call wetin? Third term. Third. I might use three now. Third term. So anytime we see first, second, third term, then they call them trinomial. You understand? What if you get AB squared plus A squared B plus AB cube, something like this? You go still call this one trinomial? Yes. All these things come together like this na first term. This one together like this na second term. This one together like this na third term. As far as say na three terms na in there, first, second, third, then they call am wetin? Trinomial. The book sweet abi. Make I end down for this one they call polynomial. You go don hear the one they call polynomial. Polynomial. Wetin become be polynomial? If you don't know binomial, you don't know trinomial. Wetin come be polynomial? Polynomial, this one they talk about series of terms. Series of terms. Series of terms means say I fit get something. I put am like this: series of terms. Series of terms. So you know say when you don dey reach four terms like that, five terms, they don tire to call am. So you just say polynomial. They don plenty. Polytechnic where crowd dey, e don plenty. So na wetin mean that. So if I get something like A plus B plus C plus D plus E, first, second, third, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, as e dey plenty dey go, all of them you just group them, make dem dey under wetin they call polynomial. Make dem group them under they call polynomial. I go teach you polynomial again as a topic. Ma show you say even this quadratic expression wey you see like this, Even this x plus y equal to 5, this one to na polynomial of just one first degree. Even if you get maybe x squared plus 3x plus 5, this one na polynomial of second degree. This one, if I get x cubed or 3x cubed or 2x cubed, as far as say cube dey, na polynomial too of third degree. Polynomial dey for different degrees, and now you know now. So but then for this particular context, polynomial wey I mean here, like say we get plenty of these terms, na we call am polynomial. Na be the first thing wey I want make you first know as I wan dive into this topic. Men, I hope say this one clear. Oya, make you see the importance of this particular binomial before we come begin to talk about wetin we wan use and solve and how we wan take pass exam with this particular thing. Na me be Instructor Alison. I go run am for you, I go lie for you. Oya na, stay peace.